Hi, my name is Miss Gray. I'm a school social worker at Hubbard Middle School in Plainfield, New Jersey, and I thought the Beautiful Tomorrow was truly inspiring. The students were completely engaged, teachers as well, dancing. The message was phenomenal about college readiness and life lessons. I think every school should have this in their school. Thank you.
I don't need you to tell me I'm beautiful.